Adds luxury standard brushed nickel RO faucet, refrigerator connection kit, and Dow Filmtec 75 GPD high hardness RO membrane to the Home Master HydroPerfection reverse osmosis system. This loaded version provides additional solutions. Drought-affected municipal water supplies have increased water hardness leading to early membrane failure. The Home Master loaded version RO systems feature the latest Dow Filmtec high hardness RO membrane for residential water supplies up to 18 grains per gallon. The new upgraded lead-free luxury standard brushed nickel RO faucet with 1/4 turn ceramic disc and 360-degree swivel spout is beautiful. Installing the RO faucet on traditional RO systems can be a hassle because of tight spaces. So, rather than forcing you to buy a specialized tool, a specially designed fastener tightened by hand is included. Plus, the fridge kit delivers purified water to fridge centers. The HydroPerfection uses 9 stages of filtration, purification, sterilisation, and enhancement using sediment, iron, catalytic carbon and reverse osmosis purification to remove up to 99% of iron, hydrogen sulphide, chloramines, chlorine, chemicals, chromium, lead, dissolved solids, light, and heavy metals, and other contaminants. The advanced UV sterilization chamber safely destroys 99.99% of microorganisms. Then it channels the water through the patented remineralization system twice to add calcium and magnesium minerals from a fresh new source. Only the most sophisticated components certified to NSF standards are included in the design and construction of our product. Choose Home Master HydroPerfection for exceptionally pure mineral water on tap. In the box, fully assembled purification unit with filters, 3.2-gallon storage tank, 3/8-inch feed water adapter with shut-off, lead-free luxury standard brushed nickel RO faucet with adapter, TFC RO membrane, 110-volt power supply, drain saddle, and instructions. BPA-free. 5-year limited warranty. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. A better RO system. Home Master HydroPerfection's innovative design solves the most common problems associated with canister and tankless RO systems. Number 2. Increased luxury and performance. Loaded model includes brushed nickel RO faucet, fridge connection kit, and Dow Filmtec high-performance high-hardness RO membrane, 0.0001 microns, 75 GPD. Number 3. EPA-registered, Home Master UV sterilizer is registered under EPA number 97952, AS1 and has been approved to kill, inactivate or suppress the growth of viruses, bacteria, fungi in water purification devices. Number 4. Mineral water on tap. Patented remineralization system found in our artesian full contact model adds calcium and magnesium twice during the purification process for reduced storage tank degradation and great tasting, highly pure, mineral water on tap. Number 5. Highly pure water 9 stages of filtration, purification, UV sterilization, and enhancement remove up to 99% of chlorine and chloramines, chemicals, lead, heavy metals, fluoride, microplastics, TDS, and thousands more. BPA and lead-free. 5-year limited warranty. Number 6. NSF Certified Components, meets or exceeds NSF standards for material safety and performance. NSF listed company. Number 7. Reduced water waste and TDS creep. Built-in non-electric permeate pump reduces TDS creep and water waste up to 80%. Increases water production up to 50%, for about a 1-to-1 waste ratio. No electricity required. Number 8. KDF85 Iron Filter, powerful redox filter media removes dissolved iron up to 1 ppm, making it a great option for those on well water. Number 9. Modular design, easy to upgrade and service. Filter changes once per year or 2,000 gallons with no wrenches required. Number 10. In the box. Assembled purification unit with filters and Dow membrane, 0.0001 micron, 75 GPD, tank, 3/8 in. Adapter with shut-off, chrome faucet, drain saddle. Dimensions. Purification cluster 16 inches high by 15 inches wide by 5 inches deep, tank 15 inches high by 11 inches diameter. and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.